What's up, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here with something really cool. It took a while to get, but I finally got one. It's the McDonald's handheld Tetris game that was released by McDonald's in 2023 here. So I had to have it imported, and so it took about 3 weeks or so for this to finally come. And this is cool. It's just a little handheld Tetris game, and it came in this packaging right here. You can see it reads Tetris there. You open it up, and there's a little baggie. Everything came all tidy and neat. So you pop that out of there. And then here are some instructions that it came with. Some basic, simple instructions right there. If you'd like to give that a read, go ahead. And what's really cool is that you can decorate your little chicken nugget Tetris handheld game with a sheet of stickers. So right here you can see got a bunch of different little things going on. A burger and a Happy Meal box, another nugget, game controller, a whole bunch of stuff there, little stars. And then if you flip it over, there is a set of alphabets here. Alphabets. There's it's the alphabet. So A to Z, but there's two of them. So there's a set of these. And then some other stickers right here. So like Ronald McDonald, Grimace, and Birdie, and the Hamburglar. So you can take all these different types of stickers and place it all over your little handheld game. And on the back here, you can see it has a compartment for when you need to replace the batteries. So it takes AAA batteries and a little star-headed screw, little on-off button. So let's take a look. I'm not very good at Tetris. I never was. Years ago, I tried it. Was never good at it. But it's worth trying again, right? So we flip it on. Then you hit the power button. Listen to that. There's a little speaker right there. And you can hear the Tetris music. It's so faint. There's no way to turn the volume up on this. So let's see. So obviously you have the arrows that move the little cube thing to the left and then to the right, and this speeds it up, and then this speeds it up even faster. So no, this one drops it down, and this one instantly drops it down. And of course we have the sound, so you can turn the sound on and off. Let's see. So it's mute, and now it's not mute. And according to the instructions, you can get it up to level 20. And that's it. So you press the little pause button here, and it starts the game, and then you use this big thumb button to spin the little thingy. All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Okay, so you're going to watch me play Tetris for a minute. So we'll move it over here. Okay, let's see what else we get. Let's see if we can make it to level 2. I'm actually playing this through the screen on my camera, so I'm not actually looking at it. I'm looking at this like in second hand. Okay, so we want this, so we'll turn this all the way over there. Hey, that's not a Tetris. What is it? Tetris is like 4 in a row, right? Is that right? Or do you gotta get 4 rows to get a Tetris? I'm not any good at this. I'm really nervous playing this game. Okay, so look at that. We got one. Okay, so we want to turn that. No! Okay, we can do that. Yeah, let's do that. And we'll definitely turn that. We'll slide that one. Yeah, we'll put that one over here. And let's see. Okay, we'll bring this one all the way over. I'm narrating Tetris. I'm trying to keep the camera steady, too. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have a little hole there. And then I think we'll flip this one here. Nope. Uh-oh. We might be getting in trouble here, folks. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna drop this one here. Well, we're doing pretty good so far. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we got a couple there. Sweet. And we'll drop that there. Okay, so we're doing good. What level do we make it to? We're at level 1, score of 6. Well, what score do I gotta get to level 2? Oh man, I feel so nervous playing this. This game's got me all tense. Oh man, I know it gets faster and faster as you go too. It hasn't sped up on me yet, but I feel it coming. I think when you get to like the next level, it will speed up on you. This is great. Uh-oh. What do we want? Okay, we will do this here. And then drop that there. We need a big one that goes right there on the side. Like a big block. We need a big block. Okay, so that'll help. I guess that's how you build the Tetris. You kind of like strategically place these different types, style blocks. Oh, I knew I was going to mess up because I didn't know what to do with that one. I'm concentrating so hard. Okay, I don't know if we're going to be able to get a Tetris. Okay, we're at a score of 12. And it's, oh yeah, it's definitely going faster now. I can hear the music picked up tempo too. So we made it to level 2. How cool. Right, I'm going to stop. We made it to level 2. We'll flip it off. And that's it. So you get the idea. If you ever heard of Tetris or ever played Tetris, well, now you can put this in your pocket and take Tetris with you. This is kind of cool. It's one of the neater toys McDonald's has come out with over the last few years. I'll tell you, it's worth having, you know, and check it out. I got another one. That's right. I couldn't resist. I have another handheld Tetris game for one lucky subscriber. You know what to do. Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever played it, if you want to play it, if you don't like it, you do like it. Tell me about your favorite handheld games, any experience with video games. I don't care. As long as it's video game related, any kind of comment will work. Anything that's related to handheld games, video games, I don't care. And then in a week or two, I'll pick a winner for this thing. These are kind of awesome. If anything, it's novelty. It's a cute little thing to have. Put it on the shelf. Makes for a nice little McDonald's memorabilia thingy. That's it. So there you go, everyone. It's the 2023 McDonald's Chicken McNugget Tetris handheld game. Very cool, right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.